So in this video I'm going to be explaining how the exam tracker Notion template works. So first of all, over here we've got our exams, so we have like this gallery view with all of our exams, and we're going to go to this exam, for example, to see how it works. So we've got these properties and I'm going to explain them. First, we've got buffer time, which is basically the days that we want before the exam, just in case something happens, so we have some extra time to revise. So we're not studying until the last day before the exam. Then over here we've got this formula that calculates the days left, taking into account the exam date and the day that you're going to start studying for the exam. So over here it says 0 days. Then this is when you finish your exam, like when you do it, you just press it so you don't see it anymore in the view. Then over here we've got a progress bar that shows the progress that we've done with all of the content that's covered in the exam, which I'll show you in a second. Here we can select the subject, you just select one, and also you can change the name over there. And here is the tasks property. In here, basically we have the content of the exam, and if we want to add a new one, we just add one and we say, geometry. And we go over here, we press it, and that way it's a new task. And and over here at the bottom we've got this database that shows all of the content that's covered in the exam, and when you finish, when you feel confident with that knowledge, you just press this, and that way the progress bar will update, and at the end you will have 100%. So now I'm going to be showing you how to create a new exam. So basically you just add your name, and over here you add each property, and this is the important bit. You press this over here, and this is going to add the database with each task for the exam. And you need to press this button that's filter, exam, and then you just press the new exam. So right now we haven't got any tasks. So that's it. That's how that works. Then over here we've got this calendar view of the same database that shows us all of the exams that we have, which is quite useful. And here at the end we've got the tasks that we have to do for each exam, and we can filter it. We can create new views. Let's say we want to create a math exam tasks. We do that, and then we filter over here, we press exam, and we press the math exam. And that way we can see all of the tasks of the math exam, and you can do that with all of your exams. And that would be it. It's quite simple but very effective. So yes, I hope you enjoy the template. Bye.